Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Fiji. On tonight's menu, Fijian potato curry. The morning mise en place. Squishing the tofu with a sandbag. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the potatoes and onions. Everything in the bowl. All laid out and ready for the hot box. And it's in the hot box. Heating up some oil in a Dutch oven. Heating the seeds until they start popping. I add the garlic, the ginger, and the chile, and give it a stir. Then I add the water and the tomato sauce and give it a stir. Then I add the rest of the spices and the red bell pepper and bring it to a simmer. Then I add the potatoes and get everything all stirred up. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.